How to print in color on your printer. Step 1. Check printer and ink. Is your printer color capable? Most inkjet and some laser printers support color. Do you have color ink? Check for CMYK cartridges, cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Step 2. Set up your document for color printing. 1. Open your file, Word, PDF, Photoshop, etc. 2. Make sure colors are correct. For professional prints, use CMYK mode instead of RGB. Step 3. Adjust printer settings. Most important, press Ctrl-P, Windows, or Command-Mac to open print settings. 2. Select your printer. 3. Look for color options. Varies by printer. HP printers. Go to Printing Preferences, Color Options. Color Options, select Color. Canon Epson, choose Color under Print Mode. Brother, under Advanced Settings, pick Color. Step 4. Print a test page. Before final printing, do a test page to check colors and alignment. Troubleshooting common issues. Prints in black and white only. Check if grayscale or black ink only is accidentally selected. Update printer drivers. Colors look fadeds wrong? Clean print heads via printer maintenance settings. Replace low ink cartridges. Use high-quality paper, glossy for photos. Done. Enjoy your color prints. Now you can print photos, presentations, and artwork in full color. For more updates, follow the Printer Zone.